Eid-ul-Adha, also known as the Festival of Sacrifice, is one of the most important Islamic festivals celebrated by Muslims around the world. It commemorates the willingness of Prophet Abraham, to sacrifice his son as an act of obedience to God. The message of Eid-ul-Adha carries profound significance and encompasses several key themes. Let's explore them in detail. Obedience to God. The central message of Eid-ul-Adha is the importance of complete submission and obedience to the will of God. Prophet Ibrahim's unwavering faith and willingness to sacrifice his son demonstrated his obedience to God's command, which serves as a powerful reminder for Muslims to prioritize their devotion to God above all else. Trust and surrender. Eid-ul-Adha highlights the concept of trust in God's plan and surrendering to his divine wisdom. Despite the emotional turmoil and personal attachment Ibrahim had towards his son, he trusted in God's guidance and surrendered himself to the divine will. Muslims are encouraged to emulate this trust and surrender, recognizing that God's plans are always for the best. Selflessness and sacrifice. The act of sacrifice lies at the heart of Eid-ul-Adha. Just as Prophet Ibrahim was prepared to sacrifice his beloved son, Muslims are reminded of the importance of selflessness and sacrificing their own desires and possessions for the sake of God. This sacrifice can take many forms, such as giving to charity, helping the less fortunate, and performing acts of kindness towards others. Unity and brotherhood. Eid-ul-Adha fosters a sense of unity and brotherhood among Muslims worldwide. Muslims from diverse backgrounds come together to perform the rituals of Eid, reinforcing the concept of a global Muslim community known as the Ummah. This celebration promotes harmony, solidarity, and the breaking down of social barriers, encouraging Muslims to support and care for one another. Compassion and generosity. Another vital message of Eid-ul-Adha is compassion and generosity towards others, especially those in need. The sacrificial meat from Eid-ul-Adha is divided into 3 parts, one for personal consumption, one for sharing with friends and family, and one for giving to the poor and underprivileged. This practice highlights the importance of caring for others and sharing blessings, promoting a sense of empathy and social responsibility. Remembrance of prophets. Eid-ul-Adha serves as a reminder of the trials and sacrifices made by the prophets of Islam. In addition to Prophet Ibrahim, it also commemorates the obedience and devotion of Prophet Ishmael, who willingly agreed to be sacrificed. By reflecting on the stories of these revered figures, Muslims are inspired to follow their footsteps and embody their noble qualities. Overall, the message of Eid-ul-Adha revolves around faith, obedience, selflessness, unity, compassion, and remembrance. It encourages Muslims to strengthen their relationship with God, cultivate a spirit of sacrifice and generosity, and foster harmonious bonds within their communities. By internalizing these teachings, Muslims strive to lead righteous lives, seeking spiritual growth and a deeper connection with their Creator. Like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos.